Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming updates and saving work because resets can interrupt connections. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings. This is where adapters live. Once there, identify the problematic adapter and write down any static IP or DNS values. You will restore them if needed. Now, click Network Reset only when ready. This removes drivers and reinstalls network components. Doing this first clears common configuration corruption and avoids repeated troubleshooting steps later. Once reset or identification is complete, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter and read any error codes. They guide the fix. Then open Device Manager. Right-click the adapter, uninstall the driver, and immediately choose Scan for hardware changes so Windows attempts a fresh install. If Windows installs a generic or outdated driver, make sure to download the latest driver from the PC maker, not a third-party site, and install it. This resolves mismatched drivers that often cause intermittent connectivity. After drivers install, reboot the PC to finalize changes. You should test connectivity with ping 111 and open a web page. These quick checks confirm routing and DNS. Make sure to restore any static IP or DNS entries you recorded and check adapter power management. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device. If problems persist, try a USB Ethernet or Wi-Fi dongle to isolate hardware. If that confirms adapter failure, replace it or seek professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.